The future of sports cars. Can electric cars surpass gasoline legends? The world of sports cars has long been dominated by the roar of high-performance gasoline engines. From the spine-tingling V12 growls of a Ferrari to the rumble of an American muscle car, gasoline-powered sports cars have been the epitome of speed, passion, and engineering excellence. However, as the automotive industry undergoes a transformative shift toward electrification, a new era of electric sports cars is emerging, challenging the dominance of their gasoline predecessors. This transition raises an intriguing question. Can electric sports cars truly surpass the gasoline legends in performance, emotion, and desirability? To answer this, we must explore the technological advancements, environmental benefits, and cultural shifts shaping the future of sports cars. 1. The rise of electric sports cars. Electric vehicles, EVs, have made tremendous strides in recent years, transforming from niche products into mainstream contenders. Automakers are now channeling their innovation into the sports car segment, resulting in electric sports cars that are redefining expectations. Key players in the electric sports car revolution. Tesla Roadster, second generation, promising a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.9 seconds and a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. Tesla's upcoming Roadster is designed to challenge gasoline supercars head-on. Rimac Nevra. This Croatian hypercar boasts 1,914 horsepower, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 1.85 seconds, and advanced battery technology, positioning it as one of the fastest cars ever made. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Although a four-door sports sedan, its breathtaking acceleration and track-ready handling showcase Porsche's ability to blend luxury and performance in an EV. Lotus Evija. With 1,972 horsepower and radical aerodynamics, the Evija represents Lotus's bold step into the electric future. 2. Performance, a new benchmark. Gasoline sports cars have traditionally been measured by their horsepower, top speeds, and acceleration times. While these metrics remain relevant, electric sports cars are introducing new dimensions of performance. Advantages of electric powertrains. Instant torque. Unlike gasoline engines that build power gradually, electric motors deliver peak torque instantaneously. This results in unparalleled acceleration, as seen in the Rimac Nevra and Tesla Roadster. Precision and control. Electric cars benefit from advanced torque vectoring systems, where each wheel can be individually controlled for optimal handling and stability. Efficiency. Electric drivetrains are inherently more efficient than internal combustion engines, wasting less energy as heat and delivering more power to the wheels. Challenges for EV sports cars. Weight. Batteries are significantly heavier than fuel tanks, which can impact agility and handling. However, automakers are investing in lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to mitigate this issue. Range and charging. While modern electric sports cars offer impressive ranges, refueling a gasoline car is still quicker than recharging an EV. 3. The emotional connection. Can EVs recreate the thrill? For many enthusiasts, the appeal of a sports car lies not only in its performance, but also in the visceral experience it provides. The sound of a roaring engine, the vibrations through the steering wheel, and the mechanical connection to the road create a sensory thrill that's hard to replicate. The sound debate. Gasoline sports cars produce iconic engine sounds that evoke emotion and excitement. Electric cars, in contrast, are nearly silent, with only a faint hum from the motors. Some automakers, like Porsche, are experimenting with synthetic soundscapes to enhance the auditory experience of driving an EV. Driving engagement. Traditionalists argue that manual transmissions and mechanical feedback create a deeper connection between driver and machine, a quality often missing in EVs. However, the precise control and instant responsiveness of electric motors provide a different, equally thrilling kind of engagement. 4. Environmental benefits. A new reason to embrace performance. One of the most compelling arguments for electric sports cars is their environmental impact. As governments worldwide tighten emissions regulations and consumers become more eco-conscious, the sustainability of gasoline-powered vehicles is under scrutiny. Why EVs are greener. Zero tailpipe emissions. Electric sports cars produce no emissions during operation, reducing their carbon footprint. Renewable energy integration. As more electricity comes from renewable sources, the environmental impact of charging EVs will continue to decrease. Efficiency. EVs convert more energy into motion, making them more environmentally friendly over their life cycle compared to gasoline cars. Challenges to address. Battery production. Mining for materials like lithium and cobalt has environmental and ethical implications. The industry is actively seeking sustainable alternatives and recycling solutions. Charging infrastructure. Expanding and improving charging networks is essential for widespread adoption. 5. Cultural shifts and market trends. The shift toward electric sports cars reflects broader changes in societal attitudes and market dynamics. Younger generations, who are more environmentally conscious and technology-driven, are redefining what they value in a sports car. Changing preferences. Sustainability over tradition. While classic car enthusiasts may mourn the loss of gasoline engines, younger buyers are more likely to prioritize sustainability and innovation. Technology as a status symbol. Features like autonomous driving capabilities, over-the-air updates, and cutting-edge connectivity are becoming as important as horsepower. Automakers embracing change. Ferrari and Lamborghini, traditional icons of gasoline-powered sports cars, are developing hybrid and fully electric models to remain competitive. Companies like Rimac and Lucid are setting new benchmarks for performance and luxury in the electric era. 6. Gasoline legends versus electric pioneers. While electric sports cars are making incredible advancements, the gasoline legends still hold a revered place in automotive culture. Iconic models like the Ferrari 812 Superfast, Porsche 911 GT3, and Chevrolet Corvette Z06 continue to captivate enthusiasts with their timeless appeal and mechanical prowess. Can EVs truly surpass gasoline legends? In performance, EVs are already surpassing gasoline cars in acceleration and efficiency, and ongoing advancements will likely close the gap in weight and range. In emotion, while EVs offer new kinds of thrills, replicating the sensory experience of a gasoline sports car remains a challenge. In legacy, gasoline legends have decades of history and cultural significance that can't be easily replaced. EVs are building their own legacy, but have a long way to go. Conclusion. The road ahead. The future of sports cars is electric, driven by advances in technology, environmental responsibility, and changing consumer preferences. Electric sports cars are proving they can compete with, and often surpass, gasoline-powered icons in performance and innovation. However, the emotional connection and cultural significance of gasoline legends will ensure they remain cherished for generations. As automakers blend tradition with progress, the sports car world is poised for an exciting evolution. Electric sports cars won't just replace gasoline legends, they'll create a new chapter, redefining what it means to experience speed, power, and passion. The competition between the two isn't just about which is superior, it's about expanding the boundaries of what a sports car can be in a rapidly changing world. Grand conclusion: the future of sports cars. Can electric cars surpass gasoline legends? The future of sports cars is undeniably shifting towards electrification, driven by technological advancements, environmental concerns, and evolving consumer preferences. While gasoline-powered sports cars have long captured the hearts and minds of enthusiasts with their raw power, mechanical precision, and unforgettable soundtracks, electric sports cars are now emerging as serious contenders in the high-performance automotive arena. The question of whether electric vehicles, EVs, can surpass the gasoline legends is not merely about performance on the track, but also about a cultural and technological revolution that is redefining what a sports car can be. In terms of sheer performance, electric cars have already begun to outperform gasoline engines in key areas, especially acceleration and efficiency. The instant torque and advanced powertrains in electric vehicles provide a level of performance that was once thought impossible, making electric sports cars like the Rimac Nevera and Tesla Roadster formidable competitors. As battery technology continues to improve, issues related to weight and range will be addressed, allowing EVs to achieve even greater feats of speed and agility. However, surpassing gasoline legends in the emotional and sensory experience is a more nuanced challenge. The sound of a high-revving engine, the physical feedback from a manual transmission, and the connection between the driver and machine are elements that electric cars are still striving to replicate. While synthetic sounds and advanced driving dynamics are making strides, the deep emotional appeal of a gasoline engine remains hard to replace. From an environmental perspective, electric sports cars offer undeniable advantages. With zero tailpipe emissions and the potential for greener energy sources, EVs provide an exciting path toward a more sustainable future. As governments and consumers continue to prioritize sustainability, electric sports cars will become even more appealing, especially in a world where climate change and resource conservation are at the forefront of global concerns. Yet, the cultural impact of gasoline sports cars cannot be overlooked. Iconic brands like Ferrari, Porsche, and Lamborghini have spent decades building a legacy that intertwines with motorsport history and automotive passion. The roaring engines, the high-performance engineering, and the undeniable charisma of these cars have etched themselves into the collective consciousness of car enthusiasts. While electric cars are building their own legacies, they have yet to capture the same level of cultural significance that their gasoline counterparts have earned over the years. Ultimately, the future of sports cars is not a battle between gasoline and electric, it's an evolution. Electric cars are proving that they are not only capable of keeping up with their gasoline counterparts, but can also offer new kinds of thrills and performance. The next generation of sports cars will likely be a hybrid world where the best of both technologies coalesce, offering the unmatched speed of electric motors alongside the enduring legacy of gasoline-powered driving experiences. In the end, electric sports cars will not simply replace gasoline legends, they will define a new era. They will reshape the way we think about performance, sustainability, and the very essence of driving. As technology progresses and consumer values continue to evolve, the line between the traditional and the electric will blur, creating a future where both types of sports cars coexist, each contributing its unique strengths to the ever-changing automotive landscape.